Hey there! If you're a homeowner or contractor, you know that roofing can be a massive headache if not managed properly. Imagine being caught off guard by a leaky roof during the next big storm or having to face unexpected repairs because of missed maintenance tasks. That's why creating a downloadable roofing checklist is your golden ticket to peace of mind. It's not just about ticking boxes, it's about ensuring nothing gets overlooked and your roof stays in top shape. We are BigHomeProjects.com. We built a directory to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and help contractors find work. Let's dive straight into creating the ultimate roofing checklist. Number 1. Define the purpose of your checklist. You want to be crystal clear about what this checklist will achieve. Is it for seasonal maintenance or identifying damage? Knowing this will guide everything else. Number 2. Identify key elements. Break down the checklist into sections like safety checks, exterior inspections, and attic inspections. Each section should be straightforward with clear titles and actionable steps. Number 3. Design an easy-to-use format. Keep it clean and simple. Use bullet points and plenty of white space. Checkboxes are your friend. They make it easy to track progress. Number 4. Customize your checklist. Use tools like Fulcrum or GoCanvas to tailor the checklist to your specific needs. Add visuals like icons for different roofing materials, making it user-friendly. Number 5. Test and iterate. Don't just assume it's perfect. Share it with a few people, get feedback, and tweak as needed to make sure it's truly effective. Number 6. Digital integration. Think about adding your checklist to platforms like ServiceTitan for easy access on mobile devices. It's all about making it accessible wherever you are. Number 7. Promote your checklist. Get it out there! Use social media and your website to offer it as a free download. It's a great way to attract leads and provide value. Number 8. Educate your clients. Don't just hand over the checklist. Teach them how to use it effectively. Consider a video tutorial or webinar to walk them through it. Number 9. Regularly update your checklist. Keep it fresh with regular updates based on feedback and changes in roofing technologies and standards. Number 10. Gather feedback and improve. After clients use it, ask for their thoughts on its usefulness. This will guide future improvements and show you're committed to quality. Now, here's something intriguing to consider. What happens if you miss a crucial step in maintaining your roof? The risks are real and costly, from water damage to increased energy bills due to poor insulation. Keep this in mind as you work through each section of your checklist. Ready to start finding trusted contractors for your roofing projects? Visit BigHomeProjects.com, where we've got a treasure trove of vetted local experts. Whether you're looking for someone to tackle a small repair or a full roof replacement, our platform makes it easy to compare ratings and reviews so you can make an informed decision without the hassle.